I was done after working my whole holiday in a food factory. This is one of those low entry jobs when you get the smallest amount of money possible, people there give you zero respect, and after the day of work you smell like an onion basically. Generally makes you feel like a subhuman. But I saved enough money for my musical project. I worked there only to save for my gear and plugins to improve my production. And now I was finally done. I haven't seen my girlfriend for a while because of this job, and I decided that now I got this money, so now I can have some fun. It's holiday, let's use this time. The same day I make decision about quitting this job and starting having fun and repairing relationship with her, she broke up with me. The first breakup always feels like you lost everything. Like there is no future for you, like everything is lost. I felt like I lost everything, but I had one thing left. It was uploading my beats to YouTube. I was still in my tears, my hands were shaking over the keyboard, over the same keyboard, while I was uploading my weekly beat. I lost my everything, so that's the moment to blow up with my beats. Yeah, this beat in weeks made 20 views. Maybe 40 views. It didn't blow up. It definitely didn't blow up. It didn't give me anything. Most of those views were anyway by me. Yeah, breakup did not help. Breakup was not a turning point. Rocky music didn't start playing in the background. It wasn't some motivational edit. It didn't make me any money, any views. It didn't change anything. It was just suffering. You know how quickly I started making money after this moment? From my beats that I was uploading the whole time? 1 year. So yeah, this breakup was just the first step to this business. So what's the point of this story actually? If you're willing to go into producing full-time, part-time, or on the billboard, you will suffer on this path. You will suffer a lot, because that breakup was just first. It was my first big suffering point. It was this first wall that I had to go through to keep pushing. But it didn't improve my life. I didn't magically become better after breakup. I didn't magically start making money. I didn't blow up because of that. I made few beats while I was still in tears, but you know what? They were trash. They were still trash, man. Because growth doesn't come from those little moments when you feel like it should come. Because life is not a movie, so in your lowest moments, don't expect that Rocky music, motivational, will start playing in the background, you will get up, you will go for a run, and magically you will make $1 million. Because you know what? It will not happen. Because growth doesn't come from those few bad days, from those few tears that you shared, okay? It comes from hours, days, and months that nobody cares about, that you even don't care about. Progress comes from those months when you don't even think about some blow up. It comes from sticking to your way, to your goals, to your plans. Because I'll tell you something, when you really achieve something big, you will not be surprised at all. You will think, yeah, it was supposed to happen. When I made my first $1,000 from producing, I just thought, yeah, it was supposed to happen. When I benched my first 100 kg on gym, I thought, yeah, it was supposed to happen. When I got another girlfriend later, I thought, yeah, it was supposed to happen. Nobody randomly wakes up to $1 million. Nobody randomly wakes up to hitting 100 kg. Nobody randomly wakes up to having a girlfriend, okay? So don't expect that in your lowest moments, you will randomly get better. Those moments are just a test for you. They are tests from the life to check if you're ready to go down this path further. Believe me, if you stay on this path, you will make those moments of suffering meaningful. You will add some meaning to them. But if you give up, it will be just plain suffering without any story behind it. Don't expect your win to randomly come to in your lowest. Remember that your suffering is just a test from a life if you can go down this path further.